guys, welcome to Vishnu IAS Academy. In today's video, we'll talk about cybercrime, which is essential part of our GS subjects and also in our ethics and also in our essay and also for general awareness also. This is very important and this has been in news for a very long time and because of very extravagant crimes have happened. Many affluent people are vulnerable to these crimes. So let us talk about this. So the challenge of cybercrime is not just about your technology. We can't blame the technology telling that in nowadays we have a lot of technology, we are in the AI world and everything. Let us just put whatever crimes are happening related to cyber, just push it on technology. No, because technology is a very positive note for us because more than negative, the positive rung is very high. Today when we can talk from very far distances, when communications are possible to the remotest of the areas, when you can solve the minute details of the problems, when you can try to improve your lifespan, many solutions which the technology has given to us. So blaming simply technology for cybercrime is not so correct. What is more important is, it is about the people, it is about the processes. Here, people means the awareness. Here, process means the protocols or the policies and basically the processes which when government should take care of. When government's involvement is there. So, for lack of awareness and lack of proper protocols or proper policies or proper measurements from the government side has led to cybercrime. Not just simply technology. Technology is seen in a very positive way. It has helped the human species in a very, very large and very grand way. So, blaming it on technology is not so correct. But awareness and also the processes is what results in cybercrime. So we will see the following, like what are the suggestions or what are the government's initiative, what are the challenges, or if there is any case studies related to this particular topic and everything, we will see in the further video. Okay, first things first, we will see about the definitions defined. See, now cybercrime is about illegal activities using your digital platforms or simply through your internet. These are the important keywords in the definition. Illegal activities when performed in the digital platform. And it can result in your unauthorized access or identity theft or fraud or spread of malicious software and everything. Whatever the act done later on, that everything comes under cybercrime. And this is a definition given by the Interpol. Here in the general definition, there is no mentioning of child pornography. This is a very, 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 very dangerous situation which we are in, or this particular problem is linked to is child pornography. This is the highest in the highest list of all the rest of the crimes. So Interpol has recognized this. In their definition, they put this. What is it cybercrime just related to your phone hacking or your computer hacking? No, there are multiple different ways, different types. Identity theft. Simply take your details and simply this is about your data breach. This is linked to data breach. Your ransom attacks, your own software can be a vulnerable situation for your data to be taken from your system. They ask you a lump sum amount. Phishing and online fraud. We've seen, we get some spam messages in your emails or in your text. In that way, the crime has been done. By hacking. Hacking is the most common and common and a basic form of cybercrime. Cyber stalking and bullying on your social media platforms, when the bullying or the cyber stalking is happening. For suppose there is an individual A, this This criminal from here stalks this individual, see whatever the person is posting, he or she, see where is his location, hers or his location and everything. Basically, it's about stalking. And you, after stalking, the data which comes, using that data, threatening or bullying or harassing or distributed denial of service attacks. They'll take your data for you to come back again. Distributed denial of service attacks. So these are the types of cyber crimes done across the world. And what are the causes? Anonymity of the internet. You do not know until and unless it is traced by very high processes or very high knowledge and everything. You do not know. A common man doesn't know where from the crime is started. So it's very anonymous. On the social media, you just know what a particular person is posting. But beyond that account, you do not know exact person or exact location of that. There is very anonymity. Digital dependency and globalization. We are so digitally dependent that even in the rural, it is a very grand thing to be celebrated, and also at the opposite end or the opposite spectrum, because of lack of awareness, the digital dependency is becoming a very big problem right now. And because of the globalization, is it like the crime is country specific? No. If you are in country A, the criminal can be in country Z as well. It's not neighbor or somewhere. Somewhere in the world, he or she can do the crime. So, globalization. Cyber security measures. Since I told you initially that it's not just about the technology, but even the protocols or the processes and the people. So, because of cyber security measures, cybercrime happens. Financial gain. For short-term profits, lack of morality, these criminals go for short-term profits for any extent to do cyber crimes. Political and ideological motivation, this is a little controversial point, but still, because of this ideological motivation or a political motivation, one can do a crime related to cyber or using internet. What happens once the crime is done? What happened? Economic losses, for definitely when someone have sent you a spam message, you clicked on it and immediately your money has been deducted from your bank account. Very common, economic loss. Threat to national security. We'll see in the following case study how this is related to the whole country itself. Data privacy and personal security is gone case. In today's world, privacy is a myth is what experts believe. Ponder upon this. Psychological impact. Once you fall vulnerable to your bullying or harassing or blackmailing on the social platforms, psychological impact is huge. This can lead to death as well. Depression, all sorts of mental health. It can affect your mental health. Disruption of essential services. If some cybercrime has happened, if government took an initiative to stop the internet, all the services stops there. So these are all the impacts because of your cybercrime. What are the laws and policies in India? Is India aware of cybercrime? Yes, it is aware, and these are the following policies where it deals with. Our IT Act 2000. We have a national cyber security policy which is framed in 2013. We have a dedicated institute to see the after repercussions of a crime. We have a data protection bill. We have a data protection bill as well. So, these are the individual separate topics. Let us not dwell here. But these are the policies where India has framed for cybercrime. What are the government initiatives? Apart from your policies, did government take an extra effort or an extra edge? Yes, it took, and we have a Surakshit Bharat initiative. We have a critical information infrastructure protection center for after things. Digital India program. This can be one of the cause for your cybercrime as well, and this is also a solution also. Important. Cybercrime prevention against women and children. Cyber Swachhta Kendra to clean your devices and everything. This is for that. So these are your government's initiatives. Apart from policies, government has took an extra effort to deal with this particular problem. What are the challenges? Jurisdictional issues. If Suppose here is in this country A, the crime has happened. Country B, the criminal has ran away. For them to both come into the platform and deal particular case, it takes years together. So there is jurisdictional issues. Rapid technology evolution. Today, if a cybercrime has happened, but tomorrow there is a new technology where the criminal is aware of and he can easily escape. Lack of awareness. This is a very important thing which we have spoken in the first slide. Storage of skilled cyber security professionals. That is why cyber security engineers are at the boom. If anyone wants to take a career in the engineering side, this is a very good thing. Weak international cooperation. As I told in this case scenario, once if a criminal is ran or he's gone from this country to this country, it's very difficult for this country to track that particular person or bring that particular person back because of lack of cooperation. And to deal with this, there are many bilateral agreements going on. Different international organizations started talking about this, and there are actually happened also. Strengthen your cyber laws. If a person is involved in cyber attack or if a person is recognized as a criminal, see to it that you psychologically deal with him, not just go punish him or something like that, but go in a perspective where really you can understand why is he doing particular crime. Enhanced public awareness. Again and again, awareness is what makes one person to stay safe. Infrastructure. Improve your security infrastructure. International collaboration. Capacity building and training. Here is where the cyber security engineers or professionals comes in picture. So these are the different suggestions given. Case studies. Yeah, cybercrime is not just about one person to one person. This crime can happen at a country level, at a state level, at an individual level, or at a private, like a company level, for one company. All are vulnerable. Such thing, one example is recently in 2024, our whole healthcare sector was threatened with ransomware attack. Everything got disrupted during this case. And then India's UPI, our UPI was also very vulnerable. CERT India has come in picture and solved this particular case. Data breaches, there are a number of cases where data breaches happened. So these are the case studies. So these are a few of the case studies, and also we have been reading in our newspaper telling that you'll suddenly get a random call telling that they're calling from Telecom or RBI or something, and they say that your particular number is attached to some crime scene or something like that, and they would want to do you digital arrest. This word called digital arrest is what is in use. So because of this, the government is coming forward and dealing. We will see if there is any right protocol or awareness programs happening so far or coming future. Thank you.